What do you think, Hoover? Were they the best treats ever? They're the best treats ever. The best treats ever.
You going with the Hoover man?
Hoover loves his treats. Uh-oh, Janet's going to give him another one. Go.
You don't want him to give indigestion.
Oh, that is so
Gosh, he really likes these.
I'm so happy. Yay.
Do they have any more?
I feel like I want to go now.
Better go buy them all.
He loves them. Who would have known? Blueberry biscuits. They're a winner. Hey, Hoov. You're really enjoying those, aren't you? He says thank you. Thank you. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy Hoover day.
Well, it's not everybody gets a nice toilet plunger to check on. Come on, Lily.
Where's your toilet plunger at?
The what?
Where is it?
The big bag.
The plunger.
The what bag?
I want to see the plunger again.
Oh, the plunger itself?
Yeah, because it's
All
got.
the plungers in the back bathroom.
Oh, okay, because it's got the happy face on it that you made me kiss. You don't see that very often. Look, he's looking at you, Janet, for more.
No, you'll get a bellyache.
Look, he's looking for more. He's like, where? Where are they?
He really does like those.
I'm so happy. Yay, Hoover. Not that stuff. That's your papa's stuff. So cute.
You must take some of that Pantone bread back with you.
No, I brought my own.
Oh, you got some for yourself?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You can put it in the freezer.
Oh, yeah.
If you don't feel like you're going to eat it. You know, it's fine.